Okay, guys, so we got the Samsung Galaxy Watch here. It is the latest watch by Samsung, and it is a variable that you can get. So we're gonna do unboxing video of this watch, and we're going to see what's in the box. Obviously, so this is the title of the video. Of obviously, what's in the box. We check accessories. What do we get? If we get extra stuff or not. So first of all, this is the 46 millimeter watch. You can get the smaller one as well, but I like the for the sixth one, and it's a black edition. So there's another version of it that you could buy on Amazon. You can check that. It's a configuration that you could do. So yeah, the size and the watch style, there's the two versions for that. And the next thing, as you can see on the side, is you get long battery. So Samsung says that you usually get a big battery life with this watch. So yeah, we'll see how that is goes, and I'm gonna make another video after 2-3 weeks after completely testing this watch, and I'll tell you that all that my experience in that video. So the next thing is, it is also, you can see here, it has 39 workout activities modes. It's water resistant. That doesn't say 5 atm, 50 meters. I'm not sure if it's IP68 or 67, but it has fitness tracking. It has Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, GPS inside the watch, and also you can see here that it gets with Android 5.0 is okay. Everyone has that right now. Most people do have that version on Android. So 1.5 gigabytes of RAM. I think it's a 4 gigabyte of internal storage, and you can see here it's 46 millimeter case, and it has 27 millimeter strap, so which is standard. So this is first on the box. On the box you can see it's this watch design Samsung, and we can open it up. So here we have some of the codes and warranty. I don't know what that is, so I'm just gonna, yeah, but just leave that. That's important there. So yeah, just so yeah, it's had this. So let's open it up. Don't so that's what I'm gonna show you. So you can just with both hands, just try it up and see what does we get. Okay, so yeah, this is the watch inside itself, and looks very beautiful. It has this a protector shield sticker on it, and it looks very nice. It really looks very nice. It's one of the best Galaxies, Samsung's watch and S2 gear, S3 gear. That those ones are good, but this one is much better looking. I mean, I think finally Samsung has a much better design for variables watches. Now they have gone there by testing it S2, S3. Now they have it. So yeah, this is the watch inside. Let's just and they have this picking up, so you could easily take this off the box. So I'm gonna just leave that here for now. So this is the watch, and you get some other sets. Let's see. So we get this wireless charger. So let's see what is that. Okay, let's see. I'm just gonna leave that here. So this is the Samsung wireless charger. It You can see the details. It's 5 volt and 0.7. So it's not the fast charger. I mean, I don't think the it's a UK version, as you can see. Vietnam, okay, wireless charger. So yeah, this is how it really looks. You can place your watch here, and here you can put the USB. So let's see. So place it here and go to the watch. So this is just a quick unboxing. So I just want to show you what did you get in this box in 2019. So this is yeah, this is a manual, a quick start guide. You could guide, sorry, read it in Arabic too, and then it's in English. So yeah, maybe there are like different languages inside this manual, quick guide. And I think something else is here. Oh yeah, so this is nice. So I mean, I don't know. Okay, let's see. So I think we get extra pair of only one maybe strap. So yeah, we get this one extra. It doesn't have anything else. So just one that you get one side of the strap. Maybe I don't know. I think we get only one. So it's empty this side. So let's see what's inside on this one. So here I think we get the charger, and then so nothing else. It's empty. So the charger is it's a pretty old one, not the latest one that you get with Samsung latest devices. So this one is like UK standard as well. You can see UK, and we have this this type of pins. So use a Samsung travel charger. It's almost, yeah, again 5 volts and 0.7 amperes, and then all the standard safety and trademarks and all that stuff. So yeah, this is it's also normal USB. So this is what you get. So you're just gonna place it. You just insert this thing here, and then connect it, and then you can just place your watch here. So let's leave that there, and let's see. Watch is here. So I'm just gonna just open it up, test it with my phone, connect it with my phone, see what happens. So yeah, let's see. So how do we turn it on? So basically, if I show you that, yeah, so it's a plastic protection. So let's take that outside. Okay, so now we have the beautiful looking watch. It's I think the black color looks pretty nice. Yeah, it looks pretty nice, and yeah, it feels good as well. And I'm just gonna take off this plastics. How do I? Okay, so we can just this. Okay, I'm gonna leave them there. So yeah, looks very nice. The black and this silver. It feels premium, by the way. Yeah, it feels very premium. It has 2 buttons here, and this dial is rotatable, as you can see. So we can rotate this, and there's some numbers here, and has some arrows that tell you what should. And I think there's a feedback as well. So it basically might do vibration, and you feel it when you rotate this dial. And these 2 buttons here, nothing here, but I think these are speakers. You get this sensor here, big heart rate sensor. And you can also quickly just take these off by just I think you could just do it this way. Let me just try it. Yeah, you could just take this off easily, I think. I'll try it later, but yeah, this is it about the unboxing, and I'm gonna test this basically what is inside, and I'm gonna use it for 2-3 weeks, and then I'm gonna make another video showing you guys how it really looks and what's my personal experience. And yeah, so please make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel. Click the subscribe button below, and you'll see the latest updates, the latest videos. And if you're watching this video, means you wanna buy this watch, or you are interested. So the next video is obviously going to be about this watch, how it really looks, and experience, and hands-on. So yeah, subscribe to the channel, and we'll talk in next video. And yeah, again, I like this watch really a lot. It just feels good, and you can buy it on Amazon. It's available for like almost $300 right now there. So yep, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to this channel, like this video. If you have any comments, any questions, leave below in the comments.
By the way, guys, I'm giving away 3 $10 Amazon gift cards to 3 lucky winners once this video hits 1,000 likes. All you need to do is subscribe to this channel and hit the like button. I will announce the lucky winners in the comment section of this video.